After subscribing, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from TIQ Technical Interview.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel TIQ Technical Interview Questions. Today we are going to discuss about the most frequently asked question in CA or a law firm interview. So without wasting time, let's start the question answer round. Here is the first CA question. Define assessment year and a previous year. Here is the answer. Assessment year is the period of 12 months which start from 1st of April and ends on 31st March. For example, 1st April 2011 to 31st March 2012. Previous year is defined as a financial year immediately preceding assessment year. For example, 1st April 2010 to 31st March 2011 is the year in which income was earned, which will be assessed or charged to tax. Here is the second CA interview question. What does the term person includes? Answer. According to section 231, the person includes an individual, a Hindu undivided family, a company, a firm, an association of person or block, body of individual, a local authority, every artificial person not falling under any of the preceding subclauses. Here is the third CA interview question. What are the 5 heads of income to calculate total income of SS? Here is the answer. Income from salaries, income from house property, income from business and profession, income from capital gain, income from other source. Here is the fourth CA technical interview question. Who is the resident or ordinary resident ROR? Here is the answer. An individual is treated as resident or ordinary resident if he satisfies any one of the basic condition and both of the following additional condition. Basic condition are as follows. He is in India for a period or period amounting in all to at least 182 days in the relevant previous year. Second condition. He is in India for 60 days or more during the relevant previous year and has been in India for 365 days or more during for previous year immediately preceding the relevant previous year. Additional condition. He has been resident in India for at least 2 out of 10 previous year immediately preceding the relevant previous year. He has been in India for 730 days or more during 7 previous year immediately preceding the relevant previous year. For more questions, go to the description given below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Technical Interview Questions TIQ.